want the same voices that raised it for her, which rightly so they did, but they should also raise the voices for our women who are being treated the way they are in prison, inhumanely. And why are they even in prison? Why aren't the same voices, the same, so-called voices of justice speaking for our women who have nothing to do with politics? There are some women who have been arrested that have nothing at all to do with politics, even if you don't want to talk about the political ones. So again, I say to our PTI people, abroad especially, okay, I know that they have emotions, and I know the emotions are high and the temperature is high, but we need to show that we are followers of Imran Khan. And Imran Khan has always kept a lot of dignity and integrity in his politics. We must follow that dignity and integrity in politics. And remember, your strength, your integrity, your dignity only matters when your chips are down and things are at their worst. Everyone can be a gentleman when everything is going their way. It's can you be a gentleman when things aren't going your way? So please don't do anything that affects the image of Imran Khan, that makes Imran Khan's case lessen or makes it worse. We only have to take steps which help Imran Khan, not that don't help him. Whatever you do, that poor leader of yours is sitting in a 6x8 solitary confinement cell. Whatever you do outside, they will put the pressure on him inside. So remember that hold his banner high with pride. Don't let him down at this time. He needs all the help he can get.